Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve square root of 3 under cube root of 9 under square root of 3 cube root of 9 square root of 3 cube root of 9 and so on. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I am considering it as x. So, and this is also equal to x. So we can write this equation as square root of 3 and cube root of 9, and this part will be taken as x is equals to x. Now I am doing squaring both sides. So square root of 3 cube root of 9x whole square is equals to x square. With the help of these square, this square root eliminates. So 3 cube root of 9x is equals to x square. So to remove this 3, I am going to divide by 3 both sides. So cube root of 9x is equals to x square by 3. So to remove this cube root, I am doing cube both sides. So cube root of 9x whole cube is equals to x square over 3 whole cube. So with the help of this cube root eliminates. So 9x is equals to, so according to the rule, x power m power n, we can write it as x power m. So it's converted as x power 6 over 3 cube is 27. Now I'm considering the denominator as 1 and doing the cross multiplication. So 9x times 27 is equals to x power 6. 27 times 9 is 243x is equals to x power 6. To eliminate this x, I'm going to divide by x both sides. So 243x by x is equals to x power 6 by x. This x removes, so 243 is equals to, according to the question rule, x power m by x power n, we can write it as x power m minus n. So x power 6 minus x power 1. So x power 6 minus 1, that is 5. So we have x power 5. So 243, we can write it as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, that is 3 power 5. So x power 5 is equals to 3 power 5. So as we know that if the power are all equal, so base are also equal, so the value of x is 3. That's how you can find the value. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Stay tuned.